What's up, guys? I'm Chase.
I'm Landon. Today we're unboxing the newly released Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner Ochre. Let's go.
All right, looking at these in hand, these things are crazy to look at. Overall, my first impressions on these is actually how light they are. I didn't realize how light these were going to be. These things are extremely light, and overall, my first impressions are kind of speechless. These things are crazy to look at in person, but what are your thoughts? What are your first impressions?
Yeah, this is the first Yeezy Foam Runner that we've gotten in hand, so it's definitely, I mean, I've seen the photos and all that, but like, it still doesn't really compare to just holding these in your hand. Like, I have no idea what I have in my hands right now. It's just such a unique model. And I'm not like really sure how I feel about it just yet, but we're all giving these a rating 1 to 5. What do you think you're going to give them?
I'm going to give it a 2 out of 5 for me. Personally, I don't know. These things, I don't really like them that much. Overall, I think it's just way out there, but instead of giving it a 1 out of 5 or a 0 out of 5, I am going to give it a 2 out of 5 because I like, Kanye, and I like how he is pushing the boundaries when it comes to footwear. So I am going to lock it in at a 2 out of 5 for me. But what about you? What's your rating?
Yeah, so like you said, super unique model. I'm actually going to give it a 2.5 out of 5 because I did try these on. The best thing about these is going to be the comfort. They're a lot more comfortable than you would expect just from looking at them. Maybe you would expect it to be comfortable, but my first thought is, I guess I was too focused on the rest of the design, just absolutely confused by what's going on. I don't like how it's got that kind of like curve up here near the toes and the front half of that shoe. I mean, it looks a little funky, but so does the rest of the shoe. But I mean, you're going to be slip-on, easy to wear, kind of a neutral color. So altogether, not bad, just not my favorite for sure. But that's actually going to wrap up this unboxing for the Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner Ochre. Thank you guys for taking some time to watch.
And if you guys like this shoe, definitely give this video a like. And if you don't, let us know why in the comments below. And feel free to rate them yourself, 1 to 5. But until next episode, peace.